Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to record your desktop screen with audio using VLC Player Part 2. In Part 1 of this tutorial, I only show you how to record a desktop screen with audio. In this Part 2, I'm going to show you how to combine the audio with the video, which I'm going to be employing a simple editing technique. And the software I'm going to be using is called Movie Maker from Microsoft. If you don't know how to get the software, you go and watch my video on how to edit video using Movie Maker for beginners. In that video, it will show you how to get the software. Then come back and watch this video. I will put the link of the video in the description. And another thing I'm going to be mentioning here is that if you did not watch the part 1 of this video, go and watch it so that you can follow along. I'm going to put the link in the description also. Go and watch the video, then come back to this video for a better understanding. By now, I believe that you have a good idea to follow along in this tutorial. So if my case is correct, open up your VLC video player and click on media. Click on compact and save. Click on capture files. Then select desktop. Then the reserve frame rate for the capture. You can make it 60. Then this convert and save. Click on the little black arrow. Then click on convert. You can browse the format here. When you browse the format, you go to video, then you choose the format. Here you already have this video MP3, MP4. Then you click that your destination folder. You can browse your where you put your folder. You can say first video. You can put anything, name anything you want to know. Then you click start. When you click this start, your video will start recording. How you can record the audio, click on the start menu. Click on all program. Then click on accessories. Click on this sound recorder. Then click on start. Your sound is recording now. Then click on this start. Your video will be recording now. Now, as I'm talking to you now, this desktop is recording. So from here, I'm going to show you how you combine, because this sound that is recording is not adding to the video. The sound is stored in different files, while the video is in different files. So I'm going to show you how you can combine the sound with the video. And the tricks I'm going to be showing you is using a simple editing video editor. So as I said, before you can combine the audio with the video, you need a simple editing technique. So if you have been following along with me, open up your movie maker. When you open up your movie maker, you will have this interface. I know I don't have to explain everything about the interface because I've do that in the link, in the video link I put in the description. So you add the video by clicking this video. Then you choose the video that you want to add. This is the video that we record that time. Click it and open. Then from there, you add the sound. Come to add music. Add music. You choose the music. That's the audio that you created. Find it in the folder you have installed it and click it. Click open. Now the audio and the video is now combined together. That is it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and click that like button for more interesting videos.